Nice and easy. Oh. Dave! Dave! Dave!
I never thought I'd see you here.
Dave in shorts and flip-flops?
Well,
dude, I don't know if I could get used to this, Dave. What's going on, Dave? Holy. Hey man, I've heard the bad news, buddy.
Yeah.
I didn't want to make a big deal out of it because I know how sensitive you are.
I know.
But
I just figured like it's now or never, you know? Like,
well,
I mean we're gonna
you can pull through, man.
Please select all areas that you would.
What are you trying to fix, Dave?
Please select all the ladies that you would like to judge trucks with.
Okay.
Well, I mean, you know. You know what? I like having the. I feel like if you die without crow's feet, you did something wrong.
All right. Dave, you get the feeling we're the only men in this place.
See, I feel like if we were anchormen, you know, like this stuff would be. And I mean, to some degree, you know, we're on camera a lot.
Now he's kind of famous. Do you mind if I film his consultation, or is that weird?
Is that okay?
If we do a treatment, you can. The consultation, though, we're just gonna.
Well, Dave, so it turns out they can't just shoot some stuff in your leg and fix you.
They did call me an athlete.
Yeah, they also said your leg was diseased.
And she beat around that bush.
Yeah.
For a while.
So apparently Dave's he's got to get his vein cut out of his leg at a different place.
And see, I was like,
Dude, I don't even want to show that on camera, bro. We got to censor that. That's gross.
It is gross, man.
Well, hey, you want to go to the gym?
Shoulders.
So after you guys having to endure looking at Dave's nasty feet this morning, I feel like I owe it to you to show what everybody was asking for, and that is seeing Wes take his truck on the flex ramp. Not only that, but Bryant, if you remember from the video on last Friday, I believe it was, he was also getting a new set of wheels, so we're gonna check his truck out so we're heading over to the warehouse right now to make that come true. Uh-oh, what do we got, truck meet going on over here? Hey Wes, how are you, man? Good to see you. Good to see you, buddy. I made it. Great to see you, man. Always good to see you. Oh, hey Chris!
What's up, bud?
Dude, you're not in work clothes?
Got company.
Do you even work anymore, dude? What's up?
No, I got daddy's money.
Oh, daddy's money? I know, right? This is
my attire when I don't work. When I'm out of work, I'm wearing this.
the best dressed guy in the group here. What's up, brother?
Thanks, Ryan.
Hey, I mean, your truck just got dressed up too.
I know, right? Looks a little better with those new wheels and tires, huh?
Well, give us a little tour of it, man. We haven't seen it. I mean, first of all, beautiful hat, by the way. Can we just say workforapparel.com if anybody wants a sweet hat?
Cool.
Hey, dude.
Yeah, the new Archon Alexanders. 2014.
What model are they?
The Alexander.
Okay.
Yeah.
24 by 14.
Yep. With the Fury 35, 15 and a half.
Nice. They look really good. So, if you guys don't know, Archon are cast wheels, right?
Mm-hmm. Yep.
But they have that look of forged wheels that everybody spends all the crazy money on. So, I mean, if you look at these things, they're beautiful. They're true directional, right?
Yep, true directional.
Which is hard to find a cast wheel that's true directional.
With the exposed lugs as well.
Gotcha. Yeah, normally the cast wheels have that giant, stupid plastic cover that hides the lug nuts.
Yep, and I hated that, and I know Wes always hated on me for that. So.
Yeah.
I didn't hate on you, I just...
Wes hates on everybody.
Oh, he said
better.
Yeah, it looks much better though.
So
I mean, we'll compare a specialty forged,
overpriced,
which is a really expensive actual forged wheel, to the Archon, which is a cast wheel. What do these go for, if you don't mind me asking?
I got it for almost like 1,700 shipped.
For 4 wheels.
4 wheels.
That's about the price of one of those, right? Give or take?
Yeah, give or take, right?
Somewhere around there? So, if you guys don't have a group of gas truck friends, they always travel in packs. Like always.
Brian doesn't need.
So I'm going first.
What do you mean you're going first?
You don't want to like step it up with like Bryant first and.
We'll do Bryant.
No, do the Ford first.
Brian's got new wheels. We don't want to screw
Mine
them
are
up yet. What? Yours are a day old, dude.
Oh.
Yeah, this thing's old news. Look at that, boys. Teamwork.
That thing's solid.
Right? It's gonna work out. Yeah, don't drop it, Wes. So the day we were loading up the Sony project, Wes and Bryant came to help. Now I get, in all fairness, I give them mad props for showing up on a phone call to come help us load up the entire Sony project, but for some reason, all day. Wes was dropping stuff left and right. It wasn't just me. Yeah, I don't know, man. His side was good. Where you guys going? I'd do it over here.
You guys decided to wax the fucking steel.
Brian didn't drop anything. Dave and me went to LA. We didn't drop any of it when we were carrying it.
Well, the wax dried.
The wax dried? It looks a little taller now that you're like ready to go.
I've seen multiple videos showing how sketchy it gets at the top.
You know, everybody in the comment section says like, it's not that big deal. You weren't even that close to flipping. Drive your truck up it. I mean, it's a whole different ball game when your truck is up on the ramp and you start to feel that balance point going. Maybe you won't flip. You probably won't. Oh, Chris is over here pissing off the neighbors. But it definitely feels like it is not a comfortable feeling. Don't worry, Wes, we got the cone out. It's gonna be safe.
Whoa! Right there, right there.
Yeah!
Right there. I told you.
Yeah, he didn't hesitate at all. Don't worry, Bryant was holding your truck up.
Yeah.
Woo!
That's Deaver Springs right there.
Good work, dude. The softest rear end of them all, right there.
With the traction bars, I'm surprised, honestly.
Right?
Heavy-duty sway bar and then the traction.
Stupid Dmaxryno spending 100 grand on his suspension and it can't even flex. That's impressive. Hey, Chris, how come your wheel comes off the ground?
Oh, how come your fucking wheel comes off the ground?
My rear end's not that soft, I guess. You know Wes, he's got that real soft rear end.
Lee Springs, this truck.
Right? Yeah, so much for the 4-link rear end. I think it's more my front end. I need to, me and Zach have been talking about making some sway bar disconnects on the front end. I've heard it doesn't do a ton on IFS trucks, but you know, anything's probably better because I really want to get my truck up on the front. Uh-oh, let's see what's going on over here. Dang, Wes! Dang, Wes! We're a little dug into your tire there. It's a good thing you bought used tires, bro. If you had full tread on those back tires, you'd be done, dude.
Well, how do I get up here?
Climb the ladder, bro.
I'm only 5'9".
You're good. I don't think you're gonna rip your fender off. Maybe. Ooh. Nice and easy. Oh, yeah. All right, that works. Where you at, Bryant? You hiding? Oh, you're right behind me.
Get it. Yeah,
Let's see it, dude.
Rear end.
Let's see it.
yo, should I take my tires out?
Go backwards.
Should you take your tires out?
Oh, that'd be fine.
Yeah, I mean, if it's gonna tip over, it's gonna tip over. Bring it on back, Wes. Nice and easy.
Straight back.
Every time.
Easy guy. Easy guy.
Slow.
Low and slow. It's getting close. Getting close.
All right.
You're good. It clears.
All right, go.
Come on. Nice and easy. A little further. Right there, you're on. I don't know, dude. I think you need a ramp for the shows. That tire looks real good tucked in the wheel well. Want to give a shout out to your sponsors?
I don't have any.
Oh.
Not yet. Maybe after this video, though.
A little Deaver sponsorship?
Well, I already bought them.
Oh. Might have to get some Deaver springs for the old F350 now. Push up on the back of the truck so his wheel doesn't rub. Yeah, Will. Look at that.
All right, go.
Look at that. I like how you held it to go slow down the ramp.
I know. Made sure it's going nice and slow.
We got our next victim coming up here, Bryant.
We're going 4 low.
I go 4 low, but I don't know what Wes did. Wes,
4 low.
4 low.
That's why it took off like a damn.
No, you just gunned it, dude.
No, the pedal commander.
Oh, yeah.
It was.
You gotta watch out.
pedal
Watch
commander.
out for the pedal commander. Here we go. Let's see.
Hey, can you check that back?
It's a razor blade right here. There you go, Wes.
Perfect.
What could go wrong with a razor blade found on the ground? Who carries scissors in their truck? Were you a medic?
Huh?
Were you a medic? No. You doing arts and crafts in there? Yeah. So he had his brake line over here zip tied up. We don't want to pull too tight here. I think you got enough play. We're just making some modifications to your truck. Don't worry about it. Cutting some brake lines and stuff. So Wes just disconnected the hanger for the parking brake cable. That way that's got a little extra play in it. Hopefully we don't rip any cables out of your truck, buddy. All right, buddy.
Can you check that other side?
No. Get one side, that's it, clear. Slow, bro, slow.
Am I good, Chris?
Oh, crap.
Chris, am I good?
That side's tucking, so it's fine.
Let's go straight.
Yeah, straight.
Easy. Yep, turn it my way a little bit. There you go. Right, a little further straight. Right there, you're good.
Damn, you made it.
Look at that.
That's an 8-inch block with stock leaf spring.
Oh, you scared to get out?
Yeah.
Why?
Because I don't have any steps.
Oh. Chris, how do you feel about this right now, man?
What's up?
None of their trucks' wheels come off the ground, but ours do.
I got a 6-inch lift. They got like a 10.
Yeah, me too. Go see how his tire tucked over here. Dang, Wes, he's got all kinds of room.
Yeah, well, my tire's bigger.
I don't know. Well, he's got brand new tires, full tread.
Yeah, right. Those came off my truck.
Chris, maybe we just need a whole set of wheels that's counterweight in our truck.
I think that's
Maybe that's the ticket.
I'm gonna just put sandbags in that corner and I'll make it.
There you go.
Yeah,
Oh,
look.
it barely off the ground.
Get the Ford.
Go get your truck, Chris.
No, go get the Ford.
Nah, the Ford's gonna snap in half.
Go get the Ford.
The Ford's gonna snap in half going up the ramp. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going.
Looks good from here.
Woo. Keep going. A little more, a little more, a little more. That's good. Good look at the new Archon wheels. Woo.
Damn, it's digging in there.
So now that Wes proved himself on the ramp, he's going over, giving the truck a nice clean. He's part of the Nitto family now, so I guess Nitto Tires is having a what is it, a car show tomorrow?
Some car enthusiast thing.
Oh, Nitto Tire Enthusiast. I'm not allowed to go. Wes is though.
Anybody can go. It's open, free registration.
Now I can already hear the comments saying, Rhino, you spend so much money on your lift kit and it can't even flex going up a ramp. Trust me, guys. I mean, I didn't build the truck to articulate on ramps. Same as Wes and Bryant. Chris didn't do it either. My truck was built strictly as a show truck. The ride quality is amazing. Everything on it is exactly the way I want it. It just might not articulate as well going up a ramp with the front wheel as, you know, some of these other trucks. And well, the good thing is I don't ever plan on taking my truck rock crawling. But I am curious to see if we do make sway bar disconnects, how well that helps. If it gets us any more, you know, a couple more inches of articulation in the front is better than nothing.
Now it's gonna.
I mean, I do enjoy some crossed up spaghetti there, buddy. Hey, it was a heck of an effort. I just appreciate you wiping it down. You know, that's the important thing. Don't slip, Wes, so careful. You know, one thing I just noticed that I don't know why I didn't click in my head earlier. You don't have a rear sway bar.
No, the leaf spring trucks don't have one.
Yeah, so I'm dealing with a front sway bar
Yeah.
and a rear sway bar.
Yeah.
I just need to get rid of all my sway bars.
I'm surprised mine flexed because I put the heavy duty one from Cognito.
On the front?
Yeah, and it stiffened it up, like, a lot less body roll, but I'm surprised it flexed up the ramp.
Well, hey, I'm gonna take the saws all underneath my truck and I'm gonna start cutting some parts out, and then, you know, maybe mine will flex as good as everybody else's. But with that, guys, we're gonna wrap up this video. Make sure you guys check out, what was it, Archon?
Okay.
Check out Archon wheels, because from what I'm seeing, they look good. You know, we'll see how long they hold up, if he keeps them long enough, because none of these guys seem to keep wheels for more than a freaking month. Well, when you're ready to get rid of these and then he buys them from you, we'll see how well the Archons have held up that whole time. Don't forget to give this video a like, aka a thumbs up. Don't forget to check out workforapparel.com. I might have forgot to tell you guys, don't forget to subscribe as well. You guys are the best.
Roll the outro.
Roll the outro.
Yeah. Yeah.